Hi everybody, hope you are all in good health. To start this tutorial you will need of course a piece of leather. The piece I've used is 24 centimeters by 3 centimeters, that is 9.4 inches by 1.2 inches, and the working area is 16 centimeters, 6.3 inches. Well, I confess that I have used carbon paper to trace the design to the leather because I wasn't getting any lines with the graphite paper. That's why it has this blue color. Remember that leather burns at a much lower temperature. I used 2.5 temperature to burn the leather. And a writing tip for the whole project. I got some thicker lines and some thinner lines, but in my opinion it looks good. It gives it some extra texture, so if this happens to you, it's okay. The Velcro closure, something that will work to bookmark your books or to hold them closed. For example, if you are traveling, um, I used a spacing wheel and an awl to pierce the holes in the leather so that they would look good when I stitch them. That process I will not show here because my stitching is awful. Now the painting part is something that occurred to me later, and I thought of those illuminated letters in the old books. And I had some paintings. This celestial blue, lilac and spinach green are the leather paints that I use, and I used also a gold, which is an acrylic paint that can also be used with other materials like woods, paper, ceramic, plaster and cork. These colors can be mixed together, but I use them plain. I really wanted to give that illuminated letters look, so they are strong colors and plain. I used the smaller brushes I had, and you will work better if the brushes are not too soft. So at this point I decided to add this embellishment. This ending is made for accessories, but this allowed me to attach a thread with a stone. And I use a flat pliers to apply this. This is part embellishment and part functional, because this stone and this thread will make it easier for you to detach both parts of the bookmark. This thread I'm using is a Superlon bead cord in royal blue. It's a very thin thread, so it allowed me to attach both the stone and these beads. And I think it gives it a final touch. It looks nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this project and have fun. Thank you so much for watching.